Hello, welcome my dear children to another session of biology. Hope all of you are staying safe at your home. Always say, try to remember SMS, that is, use sanitizer, wear double layered mask, keep social distancing. Okay, and try to eat healthy food. Drink plenty of water. So let's start today's class with Chinmayanandaji's thought. Listen here. Act efficiently whenever you work. The results of action depend upon the very quality of the action. Listen here once more. Act efficiently whenever you work. എപ്പോഴൊക്കെ അല്ലെ ഏതൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്താലും അത് എഫിഷ്യന്റ് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കുക, മാക്സിമം പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കുക. The results of action depends upon the very quality of the action. അല്ലെ ആ ചെയ്യുന്ന വർക്കിന്റെ ആക്ഷന്റെ ക്വാളിറ്റിയെ അനുസരിച്ചിരിക്കും ആ ആക്ഷന്റെ റിസൾട്ട്. അല്ലെ ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, while you are studying or preparing for your examination, വെറുതെ അമ്മയെ അച്ഛനെ പാരന്റ്സിനെ കാണിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പഠിച്ചത് കൊണ്ട് വല്ല ഗുണമുണ്ടോ? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ കൺസെപ്റ്റ് മനസ്സിലാവോ? പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് നല്ല മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No, never, is it? So what you have to do while studying? Yes, study properly. Try to understand the concept and study properly. Then the result will be best, is it? That is, you can score good marks in your exam, is it? So that is the result of action depends upon the quality of the action. എങ്ങനെയാണോ നമ്മൾ ഒരു പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതിന്റെ ക്വാളിറ്റി അനുസരിച്ചിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രവൃത്തിയുടെ ഫലം, റിസൾട്ട്, is it? So dear children, all of you know that we have finished our chapters. So from this class, we are going to start the revision classes from the first chapter itself. ആദ്യത്തെ ചാപ്റ്റർ തൊട്ട് വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ റിവിഷൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. Okay. So the first chapter is food. Where does it come from? And actually, in this chapter, we have studied about the importance of food. Is it? So what is the importance of food? Why we are eating different kinds of food? Shivani? Yes, to get energy. Is it? For all the activities, we need energy. And that energy we are getting it from the food. So that is the importance of food. And it helps us to grow. Is it? It gives us energy also. So that is the important factors of food. Why we are eating food. And after that, we have studied about we have to eat variety of foods. For example, for the breakfast, some children are eating idli and some others are taking in dosha, some others chapati, puri, is it, etc. And for lunch, what you are eating up in Balu? Yes, rice. Maybe some students may eat chapati, dal and whole, is it? So one thing you have to understand that we have to eat variety of food. You need not eat only one or two types of food daily. You have to eat variety of food. In your diet, you have to include fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, milk, grains, whole grains, cereals. So, always remember to include variety of food in your diet. then only you will get different kinds of nutrients from the different types of food you are eating. And these nutrients are very essential for your proper growth. Is it? So that is the importance of variety of food. Okay? Then after that we have studied about the ingredients. Is it? Shraddha, what do you mean by ingredients? Yes, for example, while we are taking an example as the tea. Okay, what are the ingredients for making a tea? Shraddha? Yes. Then milk, sugar. Is it? Then tea powder. So these are the ingredients for making a tea. So ingredients are the components of food. Is it? It is called ingredient. And after that we have studied about two main food sources from which we are getting different kinds of food. For example, we are eating different kinds of vegetables, right? Then Vaiga, from where do we get these vegetables? Yes, you are correct. Plants, is it? And some students like to eat egg, like to drink milk, is it? So from where do we get this milk, egg and meat and all? Sandra? Yes, animals. So the major two sources of food are plants and animals. So these are the major food sources. And while we are discussing about plants, some plant parts are there which are eatable, which can be eaten, and that parts are called Girish. Yes, edible parts. That means edible plant parts, is it? So what do you mean by edible parts? So next topic is honey. Is it? Aditya, what do you mean by honey? Yes, you are correct. It's a sweet, yes, sweet liquid made by honeybees from the nectar of flowers. Is it? So it is a sweet liquid made by honeybees from the nectar of flowers. These honeybees collect nectar from the flowers and convert it into honey and store the honey in beehive. So that is about honey. And three different types of animals we have studied. Which are they? Abhirami. Yes, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Is it? Balesh, what do you mean by herbivores? Yes, plant eaters. That means the animals which are feeding upon only plants. Those animals which are eating only plants. They are called Krishna Prabha. Yes, herbivores. Then carnivores. Aishwarya, what do you mean by carnivores? Yes, flesh-eating animals, tiger, lion, is it? These animals are eating the flesh of other animals. Then next, omnivores. Kirtana, what do you mean by omnivores? Yes, these animals, they are eating both plants and animals. Okay, so such type of animals are called omnivores. So the different three major types of animals are these: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. And after that we have studied about the problems facing by so many people in our own area itself. Is it? Among us, so many people are there that they are not getting enough food. They are facing so many food problems. So in order to avoid such problems, what can we do? Yes, try to avoid wastage of food. So my dear children, don't waste food. Then control human population. Daily human population is increasing. So many people are not getting enough food. Then unemployment, തൊഴിലില്ലായ്മ. Is it? So these are only the ways that we can avoid the food problems. That means facing by different peoples. Is it? So these are the main topics we have studied in this chapter. Okay.
So dear children, see this table. Food item, ingredient, sources. Okay. And in first food item, it is idli. What are the ingredients? Rice, urad dal, salt, water, is it? And you have to write the planned source of particular ingredients, like that chicken curry, kheer, is it? So you have to fill this table, and actually this activity, it's in your textbook. You have to fill this table. Is it clear for you, dear children? So another activity for you. In this activity, name of the animal is given and food the animal eats. Okay. So you have to write the particular food eaten by specific animals. Okay. And this activity is also there in your textbook. You have to fill this activity. Is it clear? So next one is it's a fill up. Okay. And the answers, and it is also given here, answers for the questions, and you have to find out the correct answer. Write the answer in the given space. Okay. So next one, match the following. In column A, several food items are given there and name of the animals are given there. See this first one, milk, curd, paneer, ghee. And you have to match that column with column B. What is the matching answer of that particular question. Okay. So this activity, that means this match the following also, you have to do it by yourself. And this activity is also there in your textbook. Okay. So you have to find the answer by yourself. And I hope all of you clear. Is it? So, do it yourself.
So my dear children, I hope all of you understood the revision chapter, that is our first chapter about food. Okay. And you have to read your text thoroughly, study the notes again and again. We can revise the chapters more and more. Then it will be more easier for you to study the subject. Okay. So nobody is allowed to miss your interactive session. All of you have to participate in the session. So my dear children, let's meet you in the next class. Thank you.